Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pizza Hut is introducing a new pizza that rewrites the rules on the most ordered crust type in the industry, hand-tossed. The all-new hand-tossed pizza from Pizza Hut features a lighter, airier crust topped with mozzarella cheese and brushed with a garlic buttery flavor.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
Pizza Hut Classic Hand-Tossed Crust. Classic crust is the perfect middle point if you like crispy crust but find pan pizza too thick and thin and crispy too thin. It's more commonly known as their hand-tossed crust and is the equivalent to average pizza types.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
There's no extra charge for crust flavors. Hut favorite the same as they currently brush on their hand-tossed crust, a garlic buttery blend plus grated Parmesan and Italian herbs, oregano, parsley, and basil.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.